everyone, I'm Pobreng Kadama ng Saudi Arabia and I'm using Popo for almost 2 months ago. So, I have members here and asking me about this question. So, I will make a video about it. So, please watch and finish this video so you will have an idea how to use this Popo app. So, let's start it. Okay, I'm gonna show you my Popo app. Here, we will wait until it opens. And then, you see your platform. See? The Popo platform. So, you go to your profile. And then, you will see my profile. There is not 100,000 points. So it means I'm not allowed to withdraw right now because I'm not 100,000 points, because 100,000 points is equivalent to $10. So, but I will gonna show you how to withdraw. So as of now, there's two choices you wanna do or win for your points. Even you wanna exchange it into coins like this. Just click this one and put some verification code. You click this verification code and then when exchange into coins. Remember, when you're exchanging coins, you will see in every $1, it's written already, huh? In every $1, you will get 9,200 coins. So, if you convert your 100,000 points into coins, you will get 92,000 coins. Because you're under agency, the agency will deduct 2,000 coins and then you will get only 90,000 coins, okay? It's just for reminding you. So, we're going to, or I finished this already, huh? No more questions about it. So, I will going to show you how to withdraw. This is for conversion. Convert. So, when you make withdraw, so withdraw now, method of withdrawal. Any bank. It's depending your country. If you are from anywhere, you will put your country here. You will find your country here. But then you will put your bank. Then also it will show you what kind of bank in your country. So if you have a bank account or e-wallet in your country, you will bind them. So after you bind it, you can allow to withdraw. Yeah, withdraw now. See? Remember, double check. Make sure your monthly limit is not exceeded. See? But I didn't not allowed to confirm. It's all successful withdraw. I want to show you what arrival notice. You will see here in arrival notice how many times I make convert or exchange my coins. See, I have a lot of withdrawals here. It's all succeed except the cash. This one is only exchange and the other one is a cash. See, I have a lot of withdrawal here. No more cost balongos, okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Hope you will learn in my tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please subscribe, follow, like, share my tutorial video about Popo. In anyone that wants to know about Popo. Thank you.